Hey guys, what's going on? Sage Kieran here. It's 2021. You're thinking of buying a brand new PC. Sadly, the GPU market is not looking very friendly, and quite frankly, it really hurts. However, you know, AMD, they kind of shot themselves in the foot when they initially released their 6000 series. They said that they would sell off their 5000 series to GPU miners. I was very shocked because, you know, obviously with, you know, stock already being very scarce, I was, you know, intrigued to see how this would affect everything. And here we go. You know, we've seen prices skyrocket, and in fact, you know, when I go to my normal supplier, I can only find a single variant of the 5600 XT or the 5700 XT that they have in stock for about 2 to 3 times the normal price. So with further ado, guys, I'd like to just, you know, do a build today showcasing, you know, all the parts that you can go out and buy that are actually pretty feasible, because Intel has made a massive comeback, and I am so happy because I've always been an AMD fanboy. However, with how things are looking, AMD has just really dropped the ball. Intel's made a massive comeback. You know, we're getting $90 CPUs for AMD's equivalent of 160. So, you know, it's a $70 difference. We're getting the exact same performance, guys. So look, pay attention, guys. I'm going to give you guys just a quick build. I really hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Let's get it going. Ayo! So here we go. We have the motherboard. If I can, first things first, going to install the RAM. Put it in here and put it over there. Let's get it up and click. Intel CPU. It's already got this, so okay. Push them in. Can turn it. Turn it. Piece of shit. Turn it. This is a so once the M.2 is back in, .24 pin going for the mother with the turnout USB with the Windows. This has got Windows on it. This is my headphones USB. It's my my mouse, and this is for my keyboard. Which is so moment of truth. There we go. Let's see how we go. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh. Finally got my Azza Bastion micro ATX case. Yeah.
Babu. Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
I found some more spaghetti. Do you want some?
Spaghetti about it. Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, please. Now, I found some old blue LED fans laying around from one of my old builds from 3 years ago. So I'm gonna add this to this bad boy. So let's get her opened up, and then, you know, fucking decided we're gonna get this piece of shit. No, it's not a piece of shit. We're gonna get this bad boy installed in a case. You know, so it looks a little bit sexy. So let me get my handy dandy pocket knife. And let's open this bad boy up. So I can, yep. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, lift up. This is my first time ever. Cost me close to nothing. So, look at it. I'm loving it. We've got the side. So I'm an idiot. It's been a while since I've installed fans in the case, but I'm doing it on the wrong side. Finally, fucking super happy. Everything's nice and flush. Okay, here, just like that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Perfect. So there's one into place. It's just the voila. What's going on? So beautiful. You just make sure everything is happy jappy. Now I'm just doing the front panel connectors, so take no time. I have the reset switch, which will be minus and then positive. So guys, if you're wondering what goes what, the triangle is ground. You know what? Once you build over 10 computers, you know, once you've hit quite a decent amount, you're like, okay, you know, everything comes a little bit easier. So, you know, that's all done. Beautiful. This goes in. Back in. Okay. Perfect. You always put this in last, okay guys? Don't put this in first, make sure. So what I did before was I put in 2 screws here to screw in the GPU, and now I'm putting this back in just to kind of hide this area. It doesn't necessarily hold down these screws at all, it's just the aesthetic. So voila. So let's see how we go. First boot. everything's looking perfect. You know, I love this. You know, I can just come here if I want to. I can just A-OK. You know, I love that. And you know, it's such great airflow. Everything worked out perfectly, you know, within a reasonable budget. Super happy with how everything went. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll just leave it there for today. If you enjoyed it, I hope you did. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.